Hey guys, stay tuned at the end of the video. I'm going to break down the Leatherman kit, so check it out and let me know what you think. Alright, so here's the Leatherman kit. Just gonna check that out. A little lanyard here holding it in, and on the one end of the Leatherman wave, this little loop pops out. So if you never saw that before, basically open the saw, look inside where the saw is, and you can take something, like you can take something and just push it up, and then this loop will pop out. And you can I tie the actual case to the Leatherman. So, and the spine of this saw is the best striker for Ferro cerium rod. Okay, so basically I haven't touched this kit since I made that fire. If you open it up and you reach in this back pouch here, it's right behind, you can find a cotton ball. I still have one. And if I reach a little deeper into that pouch, find another cotton ball. I also find, I believe these are matches inside of a straw. Let's see what else is in here. And those are the paper matches. This is actually some dryer lint inside of a straw. And you know, those are my ultimate emergencies. Like I've run out of everything else. Then I'll pop those open. So, and then in the bottom I have a little hank of jute. And that's it in the back pouch. So back here, where my finger all the way to there. That's what's inside that. So I'm gonna just stick it all back in there. Don't want to lose it. Want to have it exactly the way. So this is a good tip. If you go to CVS or any pharmacy or anywhere where they sell hair ties, you can get brown and black hair ties. You know, I have long hair, so I always have brown or black hair ties, and they just go around really nicely like that. And I just have some Ranger bands, some inner tube rubber bands from a tire, and that's intertwined with it, so it just goes in the side, and then you just pull both loops down over the bottom. Won't go anywhere. Other side, I have 2 more of these little emergency fire kits with the straws. Maybe in another video I'll go over what's inside of all these and show you guys how I put them together. I know everyone has a video of that one, but you know, everyone has their own style. Someone can add their own little flair to it. Right, so put my kit away, put it back. And in the winter I always have this one because I have to fix snowshoes sometimes with groups. And this is the best tool to fix snowshoes with. So anyway, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and you know, like the video, comment below, you know, tell me what you guys might like to add to this. There's absolutely no space, so whatever you add has to be small. All right, see you guys next time.